Have you been struggling to find the perfect freelancer, spending hours sifting through countless profiles and still not sure? Discover the secret to transforming your freelance business with FIVERR New. This super simple tool will revolutionize your hiring process. For those new to FIVERR, it is a global online marketplace connecting businesses with skilled freelancers, offering a wide range of services from graphic design and writing to tech support and marketing. For the 2024 product release is FIVERR New, an advanced AI assistant designed to match clients with freelancers who meet their specific needs. FIVERR New understands exactly what your project needs. It does all the heavy lifting and matches you with the best talent available, thereby saving you time and effort. Let's dive into how FIVERR New and its innovative features can simplify your freelance hiring experience. Hey y'all, Chantel here, the curator of this channel, and today doubling as your tech sis. Thank you all so much for joining today. If you like what you see already, please do well to subscribe. Also, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and share this video because I know that it is insightful in caps. Also, kind gestures like this make the algorithm happy, which in turn recommends my videos to more viewers and will pass the message to more and more people. Right, thank you so much. I'm really excited for today's video because number one, it's all about self-development. If you're returning here, you know my stance on that. Secondly, because I get to work with my kind friends at FIVERR again. So thank you, FIVERR, for sponsoring today's video. Like I mentioned before the intro, today we'll be exploring FIVERR New in depth. Basically uncovering how this platform can transform your freelance game. First step is finding a freelancer to suit your demand. FIVERR's profession-based catalog spans numerous categories from graphic and design, which is my most visited department as a creator, to digital marketing, programming and tech, video and audio, business, consulting, personal growth, and even artificial intelligence services. The list goes on. Finding the right freelancers on FIVERR using New has never been easier. All you need to do is have a quick and, might I add, interesting chat with New. New guides you through this process seamlessly, prompting you to specify project details, goals, timeline, and even budget constraints, if any. This ensures clarity and alignment from the outset. It's that easy. Need flexibility? FIVERR offers the option to hire freelancers on an hourly basis. This feature allows you to ramp up collaboration and adjust as needed. For example, if you're developing a website and need continuous updates, hiring on an hourly basis ensures that you only pay for the time spent on your project. Transparency is key in freelance engagements on FIVERR. FIVERR New not only showcases freelancers' hourly rates upfront, but also provides a breakdown of costs associated with additional services or revisions. This transparency empowers you to manage your project effectively and also ensures clarity on project costs, facilitates timely payments, and minimizes disputes over financial transactions. Trust in FIVERR's expert project management to take your project to the next level. Managing freelance projects efficiently is simplified with FIVERR New's advanced project management tools. From setting milestones and tracking progress to facilitating real-time communication and file sharing, these features ensure projects stay on track and within scope. This service is ideal for projects that requires multiple freelancers and complete careful coordination. Your project manager will keep everything on track, ensuring seamless communication and prompt project delivery. FIVERR New facilitates structured feedback loops where clients can provide comments, suggestions, and revision requests directly within the platform. Freelancers can then implement revisions efficiently, keeping track of changes and maintaining a clear record of how the project evolves, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture. FIVERR New allows freelancers to create custom offers and packages tailored to client-specific needs. This flexibility not only enhances the client experience, but also enables freelancers to showcase their expertise and differentiate their services in a competitive market. Collaborating seamlessly with freelancers is made possible through FIVERR New's integrated workspace. Here you can exchange messages, share files, and provide feedback in a centralized environment, fostering productive and transparent communication throughout the project lifecycle. This repository simplifies collaboration, reduces email clutter, and ensures that all project-related assets are easily accessible to the relevant parties, that is the freelancer and the client. FIVERR prioritizes quality assurance through rigorous vetting processes and client reviews. Freelancers are rated based on their performance, ensuring that you can confidently choose talent with a proven track record and delivering exceptional results. Another benefit of expert project management on FIVERR is how well it promotes client satisfaction through clear communication, timely delivery, and adherence to project requirements. Don't take my word for it. Countless freelancers and clients have transformed their businesses using FIVERR. I'm going to insert screenshots of some testimonials about their experiences and the profound impact it has had on their freelance careers. You can read more customer success stories under the community tab located on the bottom area of the website. To recap, FIVERR offers an intelligent AI agent, a profession-based catalog, powerful briefs, hourly rates, and expert project management, all designed to streamline your freelance projects. In conclusion, FIVERR is not just a platform, it is a comprehensive toolkit designed to empower freelancers and elevate their businesses to new heights. With its intuitive interface, robust project management capabilities, transparent pricing, and unmatched community support, you have everything you need to thrive in the competitive world of freelancing. Ready to transform your freelance business? Use my code Chantel10 for a special discount on your first project. Whether you're a freelancer seeking to showcase your skills to a global audience and streamline your project workflow, or a client looking to hire top talent for reliable project management solutions, FIVERR offers the tools and support needed to achieve your goals with confidence. Click the link in my description below to start leveraging the power of FIVERR today. If you got value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content like this. Until I come your way again, stay amazing. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Bye.